What's going on, guys? So today we have another target price video. So on my last video I covered the main MJ stocks from the Canadian companies, and I've had a lot of requests and a lot of people were requesting American companies. So today I'm going to be covering 5 of the main American companies, and they're going to be Trulieve, Harvest Health and Recreation, Green Thumbs Industry, Cresco Labs, and Curaleaf. So I'm going to be covering their target prices. And once again, let's keep in mind that all these target prices are subject to change month over month. These analysts always change their target prices, so we're just going to look at these target prices, compare them to the price they're at now. And before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a quick thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button if you're new here, and let's get this video started. So the first company we're going to be looking at is Curaleaf Holdings Inc. That's ticker symbol CURLF, currently sitting at $6.40. Had a very red day today, went down 8.57%. As you can see, I've looked at this company in the past and I've drawn this support line in the past, so I'm going to extend it over. And from the looks of it, it looks like Curaleaf Holdings Inc. is about to bounce, or already did bounce on this support line, which I had at $6.25. So do I think this company is cheap right now for what its price is? We're going to look at the analyst price targets, see what they're predicting for the future. On paper, this company doesn't look bad, and I do think a lot of these American companies have a lot of potential, but that's also, we have to take into effect whether it will ever become federally legal in the United States. I have a couple friends from the United States and they're saying it's really different. It varies from state to state. For example, Texas, it's completely illegal to have any recreational or medical cannabis at all. And then there's other states that have it recreationally and medically legal. But we're going to look at these target prices. So Curaleaf, so analysts expected Curaleaf to report revenues of $52.28 million and a net loss of 1 cent per share. Despite the lower than expected revenues and EPS, the stock rose 9.1% in the last 2 days. This article is a little old, from August 30th, but it is the latest one on their analyst target price. So this is the analyst recommendation. Analysts look bullish on Curaleaf. Notably, analysts increased their revenue estimates. However, 2 analysts lowered their target prices. Cormark Securities lowered its target price from 18 Canadian dollars to 15 Canadian dollars. Hollywood Securities cut its target price from 20 Canadian dollars to 17.50 Canadian dollars. Overall, analysts have a 12-month target price of $18.02 Canadian. On Thursday, the company was trading at a discount of 94.4% from analysts' average target price. So this is an American company, and we're also going to be looking at American prices. Unfortunately, this article was written in Canadian dollars. So among the 8 analysts that follow Curaleaf, 3 recommended a strong buy, while 5 recommended a buy. None of the analysts recommended a hold or a sell. So now we're going to look at different sources right here. Curaleaf currently sitting at 638 here. They have a median target price of 12.53, a low target price of 3.77, which means that Curaleaf would go down 50%, and then we have a high target price of $18.84. So even if we do hit that median target price, that would mean in 1 year Curaleaf would go up by 100%. We have another source here, which is by Market Watch, and average recommendation is an overweight with an average target price of $12.79, and that is for Curaleaf Holdings Inc. So the next company we're going to go right into is Cresco Labs, ticker symbol CRLBF. Just going to look at their charts real quick. We're kind of seeing the same pattern with all these companies recently having a huge downfall, currently down 3.7% today, sitting at $5.99. Another company that's not profitable, price to book is at 5, price to sales is at 39. Also looks like we dipped below a strong support that we had here at around $6.50. At this point, if the sector continues to decline, I could see this company going as low as or even below its IPO, which would be right here at below $4.30. So now we're going to look at their target price for Cresco Labs. This article was written August 23rd. So the coverage on Cresco Labs has increased from 7 analysts in July to 9 in August. Of these 9 analysts, 6 favor a strong buy, while the remaining 3 recommend a buy. On only July 29th, Cormark Securities resumed its coverage on Cresco with a buy rating and a price target of 17 Canadian dollars. Once again, this was also written in Canadian dollars, but we're going to look at American prices after. However, on the graph above, we can see the company's average price target has fallen from 21.25 to 19.81 Canadian dollars. The decline in the analyst average price target indicates weakening segments. The recent regulatory scandal could have prompted analysts to lower their price targets. The new price target represents a return potential of 82.9% from its stock price to $10.83 Canadian dollars. So now we're going to be looking at MarketWatch's price target, and they have an average recommendation, which is a buy, and an average target price of $13.89 American, which would be up from $5.99 American, which is more than 100% gains in 1 year if these analysts target price was correct. And now we're looking at another target price, and we have a low of $11.31, an average of $17.42, and a high of $23. So just by looking at these, even worst case scenario, according to these target prices, Cresco Labs would still go up almost by 100%. If they hit that high of $23, Cresco Labs will almost go up by 400%. So these target prices are looking really good for Cresco Labs, but once again, don't ever bet on these analyst target prices. So we're going to move on to the next company, which is Green Thumbs Industry. That is ticker symbol GTBIF. And Green Thumb Industries also had a very red day today, down 3.18%, currently sitting at $9.13 American, up 0.5% in the post market right now. Another MJ company that is not profitable. Price to revenue is a 10, price to sales is a 19, price to book at 1.2. So now we're going to look at the target price, and it's pretty straightforward. Average recommendation is a buy. Average target price is at $17.88. Number of ratings is 14. So I'm starting to notice a pattern. When we looked at the target price video from the other day, which was all Canadian companies, analysts are not very bullish on these Canadian companies. They're all lowering their target prices. Some of the target prices are actually lower than their number. For example, I think it was Afria had a lower target price than its average price right now. And all these American companies, analysts are expecting them to grow by over 100% in the next year. So these analysts are way more bullish on American MJ stocks. And then we're going to go somewhere else, and we have a low target price of $12.78, a median target price of $18. So that would mean it would go up by 100%, almost 100%. We have a high target price of $24.06 for Green Thumb Industries. Year to date, Green Thumb Industries is only up 11.83%. Going to be looking at another source, and this one's a little different. We have a high of $33 for Green Thumb Industry. That's over 300% in gains if that in 1 year, if that were to come true. We have an average price of $19.69, which would mean over 100% gains, and we have a low of $13, which would still be a good thing. So that's it for Green Thumb's Industry. The next company we'll be looking at is Harvest Health and Recreational Inc., ticker symbol HRVSF. Right now with Harvest Health, we do see them hitting a support, which is actually their 52-week low. They're actually at their 52-week low, probably hitting new 52-week lows. So at this point, if Harvest Health does dip way below this line, we could see that as a very bad sign for this company. But my expectation is that this is a support line and it will bounce back up. This company was also down 3.28%. Another pod stock that isn't profitable. Price to revenue is at 11.5, price to sales at 22. So we're going to be looking at their price target for Harvest Health. So Harvest Health sitting at $3.58. We have a low target price of $11. We have a medium of $13.10 and a high of $14.33. So all these target prices are pretty high. So they're saying worst case scenario, Harvest Health in 1 year will be going up by almost 300%. So that's from $3.58 all the way to the low of $11 as their target price. Those are some pretty good expectations for Harvest Health. Also, we're going to be looking at another source. The average recommendation is a buy. Average target price is $15.17. So from $3.50, that's over 400% in gains for Harvest Health in 1 year. And last but not least, we're going to be looking at Trulieve Cannabis Corp, ticker symbol TCNNF. And all these companies seem to be close to their 52-week lows right now. This one also seems to be hitting a support. Does that mean that we'll be seeing a nice run in the whole sector very soon? It could be possible, or there could be uglier days to come. But right now, I'm going to draw a support line right here. It looks like we're approaching a support. Currently down 2.67%, valued at $8.03 per share. This is actually a profitable company, and it has a pretty good PE ratio of 8.9336. Price to revenue is at 5.49. Price to sales is at 8.9. This company has a market cap of 915 million, only 110 million shares outstanding. So far, out of all these companies, Trulieve Cannabis Corporation seems to be my favorite. Unfortunately, technical analysis for this company is a sell, a strong sell, and a strong sell. Let's look at the 1 minute. Sell, 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 strong sell. We're going to look at their price target. Unfortunately, we only have one right here, which is a low of $9, an average of $19.59, and a high of $27.15. So if it did hit that average of $9.59, Trulieve Cannabis Corp would grow by over 100%. And if they did hit that low of $9, that would mean they'd probably grow by a little less than 15%. And that's it for all these American companies. Like I mentioned in the video, out of the 5 companies, my favorite is Trulieve Cannabis Corp, mostly because they are a profitable company. They have a pretty good price to earnings ratio. Let me know in the comment section which company is your favorite company. Also, if I missed an American company of yours, I will be making another video where I'll be including companies like T-God, Planet 13, etc. I have a lot more other recommendations or requests in my last video, so I'm going to be making one more analyst price target video. This one was strictly for American companies. On my next analyst price target video, let me know if I missed out on an American company, and I'll try to include them all. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and smash that subscribe button if you're new here. And that's it for now, guys. Bye bye.